At CSUDH, in the Grant Writing Certificate Program, students will learn how to obtain grants. The benefits of taking the certificate program are to learn how to be successful grant writers and to obtain an understanding of what not to do. One of the most common mistakes nonprofits make is to precisely follow directions of the request for proposal, also known as an RFP. The certificate program provides students with an understanding of the cycle of a grant from the concept to closeout in a series of 3 courses. In the first course, TEX 914, Pre-Award Grant Administration, students are introduced to complete proposal process, starting with researching and locating a funding opportunity, that's an RFP, how to read and understand the RFP, and how to write a full proposal. We will also discuss the importance of nonprofit organizations having multiple streams of income, consisting of grants, fundraising, donor campaigns, endowments, and an active contributing board of directors. In the second course, TEX 917, Evaluation and Grant Implementation, students learn budget development, how to develop an evaluation plan, implement their programs, and are exposed to logic models. In the third and final course, TEX 919, Post-Award Administration, students learn the intricacies of award setup once the proposal is funded, grant management, audit preparation, and closeout. By completing the Grant Writing and Administration Certificate Program at California State University Dominguez Hills, which is taught fully online via conference videos, students will gain an understanding of how the proposal process works, become aware of how to research and find funding opportunities, learn how to read and interpret the intricacies of the request for proposal, greatly increase confidence in grant writing abilities, practice proposal writing skills, develop a budget and budget justification, learn the importance of an evaluation plan, learn the intricacies and processes of cradle-to-grave grant management, earn a grant writing administration certificate. I hope to see you in class.